Workflow at a standstill because of the Inject Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've mapped out the solution to fix localized process injection logic conflict for good. To kick off the manual repair for Inject Library, you can also find an official toolkit designed for system-level synchronization. This is the Inject Library, a specialized library frequently used by game mod loaders, trainers, and specialized security auditing tools to inject code into a target process. Because it performs process hijacking, it is almost always deleted by Windows security. Its absence prevents mods, overlays, and performance counters from activating. Now that you know how the file works, let's focus on the how and fix the issue. Since Inject Library DLL is a third-party dependency belonging to the Localized Process Injection Logic Toolkit, performing a fresh installation of your host application, where you received the error, is the only way to ensure the library is correctly placed. If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your application's directory. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the Inject library file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To avoid future system conflicts, there is one specific security trap we should discuss. Please be cautious of websites offering free downloads of Inject Library DLL. These files are frequently the wrong version for your specific PC architecture and can introduce viruses into your sensitive system folders. Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility. The link below provides access to a professional maintenance resource for reviewing Inject Library-related system data. I hope this resolved the conflict preventing Inject Library from launching. For more deep dive technical tutorials and system configuration guides, subscribe to our channel today.